Hi friends, my name is Dr.Bharath Chandra. Welcome to today's breaking news video. News number 1, Macrotech Developers IPO launching on April 7th. Real estate company Macrotech Developers, earlier known as Lodha Developers, very famous, is launching its IPO on April 7th. IPO size is rupees 2500 crores, price band 483 to 486 rupees per share. Current grey market premium rupees 20 to 25 rupees per share. That means 5% premium as of now. We will make a detailed video on this IPO in the next few days. News number 2, quarterly results of companies will be released in the next few weeks. The financial results for the quarter January to March 2021 of companies will be released in the next few weeks. Usually companies start announcing the results by April 15th or so. It will be interesting to see how the results will be of different companies of different sectors, especially since some recovery has taken place in the last few months. News number 3, positive markets on Thursday. Global stock markets traded positively on Thursday evening and throughout the day, which was the last working day. Friday was a holiday for most markets in the world, and so we have to see on Monday whether the uptrend continues or whether there will be some kind of correction. So far, it looks like a positive day, but we need to see whether there could be correction once it goes up. News number 4, diagnostics company Krishna launching IPO. Pune-based Krishna Diagnostics company is planning for a rupees 1200 crore IPO. The spelling is a little bit different, but Krishna is the way you pronounce it, and they are planning an IPO very soon. They are waiting for SEBI approval. It runs a chain of diagnostic centers across India covering all major tests. So in around Pune, it is very famous. Other parts of India may not have developed the network so far. Once this IPO is finalized, we will release a video on this company as well. This was today's breaking news. If you like this video, please press the like button. Let us know in the comment section how you like this particular breaking news segment. Write a few lines or a sentence about the breaking news segment. Also share this video with all your friends. Thank you for watching this video. Bye bye and all the best.